What if I told you there's a planet, a giant one, that shouldn't even exist? A world so far from its star, it breaks every rule we thought we understood about how planets form. A place adrift in the outskirts of its solar system, colder than imagination, yet mysteriously still tied to its star, barely. This isn't science fiction. This is HD 106906b, a lonely, giant planet orbiting 21 times farther than Neptune orbits our Sun. Its story is not only astonishing, it's redefining everything we thought we knew about how solar systems work. HD 106906b was discovered in 2013. Located about 336 light-years away in the constellation Crux, this planet is estimated to be 11 times the mass of Jupiter. But its bizarre location is what caught the attention of astronomers around the world. It orbits at a staggering 650 astronomical units, or AU, from its star. For comparison, Pluto orbits at about 39 AU. That distance is mind-blowing. No planet should form out there, not by any known planetary formation theory. But HD 106906b exists. And it's massive. It's young, hot, and bright in infrared light. Exactly the kind of object you'd expect to find closer to a star. But here it is, frozen in space, orbiting on the edge of the void. The Central Star System, HD 106906, is a binary, two young stars that are just 15 million years old. That's infant age in cosmic terms. The system itself is still surrounded by a dusty debris disk, a leftover from its formation. So how did such a massive planet get flung so far away? Did it form there? Was it ejected? Did something else toss it out to the galactic curb? The answers lie in the disk and in the dance of gravity. There are two main theories for how planets form: core accretion and disk instability. Core accretion is the slow process where dust clumps together into rocks, then into planetesimals, and over millions of years, forms a planet. But this only works relatively close to the star. Beyond a few dozen AU, the disk is too thin. There's not enough material. Disk instability, on the other hand, is the sudden collapse of a portion of the disk due to its own gravity. This could form a giant planet quickly and at larger distances. But even disk instability struggles to explain HD 106906b's orbit. Why? Because it's so far out, the disk would have to be unusually massive and extended, and we don't see that. So what happened? Astronomers believe this. HD 106906b likely formed closer in, maybe around 10 or 20 Australian dollars from the twin stars. But something or someone kicked it out. Here's the crazy part. If this planet was ejected from the inner system, it should have been flung into interstellar space, lost forever. But it wasn't. It stayed bound to its stars in a wildly distant, elongated orbit. And here's where it gets even more interesting. The entire debris disk around the binary stars is tilted, asymmetrical, as if something pulled on it from the outside. HD 106906b might be the cause. Like a cosmic ghost, it haunts the system, tugging subtly on the disk with every slow orbit. But if that's true, something had to send it flying. Possibility? A third body. Maybe a passing star 3 million years ago came close enough to disturb HD 106906b's orbit, preventing it from escaping the system entirely. Yes, you heard that right. A random flyby in the vastness of space may have played a critical role in keeping this rogue planet on a leash. The discovery of HD 106906b is more than just a cosmic oddity. It's a warning sign. A crack in our models. If this planet exists, how many others like it are hiding out there? What if our theories are just the beginning? This planet challenges the idea of stable solar systems, of neat orbital paths. It reminds us that space is dynamic, chaotic, and full of surprises. What we thought we knew, we only scratched the surface. This isn't the only case of a rogue but still orbiting planet. In our own solar system, some astronomers suspect there may be a large, hidden world, Planet 9, disturbing the orbits of distant icy bodies. It would be far, cold, and difficult to spot, just like HD 106906b. Could this be a common feature of solar systems? Hidden giants lurking in the dark? Or is HD 106906b an outlier? The discovery of HD 106906b opens a new chapter in our quest to understand the cosmos. It's a reminder that nature doesn't follow our rules, that the universe is far more complex, chaotic, and beautiful than we imagined. HD 106906b is a question mark, drifting in space. A riddle, a challenge to our understanding, and maybe, just maybe, the first clue to a much larger truth. If one planet can defy everything we know, how many others are waiting to be discovered?